TikTok finally slashed the price. Go grab the Dragon Creek outdoor knife right now. The 15-degree V-shaped Tonto blade is insanely sharp. The full tang handle has an ultra-stable grip. It can cut ropes, chop veggies, break windows. Total all-rounder. Outdoor lovers, you'll regret it if you miss this.
Sky full of stars aligning.